Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make callout expansion text into Filmora 9. So let's start the video. First download this file, link in the description. Open it and install this. I already installed this, so cancel this time. Open Filmora and import your video or image. Drag your file into timeline. Then go to titles and go expansions. Then you can see there are 53 callout expansion available here. Then select any expansions and drag it into timeline. Let's check the expansion preview. Nice. Now double click on this and go advanced. Now delete default text and adjust expansion. Now add a new text and adjust position and customize your text. Now go to animation and select left direction animation. Adjust your text animation with expansions. Okay, that's it. Our callout title is ready. You can add a sound effect for better experience. Now export your project. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial.